Ingenious device removes plastic from rivers. A young Dutch inventor is widening his effort to clean up floating plastic from the Pacific Ocean. He has developed an ingenious floating device to trap plastic waste moving into rivers before it reaches the high seas. Boyan Slat was just 18 years old when he invented a system for catching waste in the ocean. He also founded an environmental group called the Ocean Cleanup, whose purpose is to develop and deploy the system. Last Saturday, the 25-year-old Slat announced the next step in his flight, an ingenious solar-powered floating device that he calls the Interceptor. It removes plastic out of rivers. The Ocean Cleanup has been criticized in the past for directing its attention only on plastic waste already in the world's oceans. Experts say 8 million metric tons of waste flow into the ocean each year from rivers, creeks, and seaside areas. The plastic endangers fish and other sea creatures. 3 of the machines have already been deployed to Indonesia, Malaysia, and Vietnam. Slat said a 4th is going to the Dominican Republic. Slat said he believes 1,000 rivers are responsible for about 80% of plastic going into the world's oceans. He said he wants to try to clean them all in the next 5 years. Slat announced his call for support from countries interested in cleaning up their rivers. He also wants support from businesses prepared to offer financial support and help with the operation of the devices. The Interceptor is designed to be secured in rivers. Its nose is shaped to deflect away larger floating objects like tree trunks. The interceptors work by guiding plastic waste into an opening in front of the devices. The waste is then carried inside the machine where it is dropped into containers. The interceptor sends a text message to local operators that can come and empty it when it's full. Slat demonstrated how it worked by putting hundreds of yellow rubber ducks into the water at the launch event in the Dutch city of Rotterdam. The ingenious interceptor caught nearly all of them. Each machine currently costs about $775,600. Slat said the cost will likely drop as production increases. Slat likewise argued that the economic effect of not removing plastic from rivers is higher than the cost of buying and using the machines.